Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dom, and I've been a software engineer for around 15 years now, and for most of that time PHP has been my main backend language. For quite a while now I wanted to move away from PHP towards Node.js and TypeScript, and since I'm using TypeScript and React on the front end, it just made sense to make that step. But I decided, instead of watching courses, building another to-do or a weather app, I'm just gonna be building real-world projects. And that's what this channel is going to be about. I'll be building useful software that actually solves real-world problems, automating tasks and turning ideas into working applications. I'll be sharing the entire process from the initial idea through planning and development, debugging, and all the mistakes that I make along the way. So whether you're also learning Node.js and TypeScript, you just enjoy watching projects being built from scratch, or you're simply looking for useful software ideas that you can build yourself, hopefully there'll be something here for you. I already have quite a few projects in my mind, and we'll be getting started on the first one in the next video. So subscribe if you like to follow along, and let's get something useful built.